Hey y'all, it's your boy Slushy Student 38. I'm back with another video. Chilling in the car right now. We about to go to the IX Center for this car show. So yeah, stay tuned for this. I'm about to give y'all all the footage of these new cars, old cars, and whatever cars they got there. Hopefully, I'm gonna go straight to the Dodge section, show y'all what these Dodges look like. And then we just gonna, freestyle from there, just walk around, see what they got, what's popping. Probably eat a little bit. But yeah, if y'all new to the channel, hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. And yeah, I'm about to give y'all a cold start like I always do, since I got that remote start put on. And yeah, y'all can watch my other videos, the link in the description. All right, guys, here go this cold start. Excuse the wind. Yeah, it is, about to be March, it's February right now. Once again, y'all, hope y'all enjoy my content. It's just not a car channel, by the way. I do unboxings, reviews for movies, and reviews for like unboxings in general, for like GameStop or if it's something cool I think the channel will like. If y'all got any suggestions, y'all always can say something like that, I'm gonna just wait till we get there and I'm gonna show y'all, because I'm not gonna make my own video of me driving there. So stay tuned for that, y'all. Okay guys, I finally made it up here. I'm outside the building right now. I just wanted to show y'all. It's called the IX Center. But yeah, just stay tuned for what's in store. Alright, I just walked in this place, man. There's a whole bunch of people in here. This would look like in the doorway, just when I walk in. So I just started walking around, see what they got here. Bunch of people. Hopefully y'all can catch my audio real good because it's a bunch of people. I got a mic. Let's transfer my dude over here. Probably gonna tell me to turn my camera off. There's a bunch of people up here. Still program book. So we're gonna start whatever's first. The GMC stuff. Yeah, maybe if I can find a Dodge inside, I'll go sit there with Dodge on. I don't know, it's big in here. You gotta get your thumbnail in front of something. This is a 2020 Challenger wide body Sky Pack. It's on 53,000, y'all. I'm about to take y'all a wrap around this boy so y'all can see how this bitch look. Sky Pack. You gotta make sure you get that on there. Is that a It's a 10-inch display. It's pretty stock. They want 53,000 for that. I like the colorway, show the rims on. Let me show y'all this Durango over here. y'all thinking about this? You already know what bars. This is the Durango 2020. Hemi, got a Hemi in this says a V8.
What's that front?
I know, this pretty nice too, y'all. I had to come show y'all the Dodgers. Of course. It's an RT. Price on it. 53,000. Alright, y'all, here go the Charger. You already know I like the Charger, man. This is oh yeah, this is a XT all-wheel drive 2020. No wide body. Look at those rims. That's 20,000. 300 right here. 300 horsepower. I feel like for that price, how much was it? 38,000. For that price, you should get a little bit more horsepower. 2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. Here it is right here, RT. Oh yeah, this thing is blue. Got the cold air intake in it. Look like it got a bigger throttle body already on it. But this is real nice. I'm gonna go around this way. Excuse the background noise, y'all. It's a lot of people in here. This is the admin side of it. Got the racing seats, Daytona on it with the stitching. It's real nice inside. Sunroof. Look, they driving these Jeeps on the track over here, y'all. I'm about to try to test drive down the track and try to get down footage, y'all. That look pretty cool, just to see if I can do it. That's nice. I'm in a Jeep session. I'm about to see, can I test drive that Jeep right there with the they got a 4 back pickup back. This is cool. It's going downstairs and everything. Oh damn, I've been on camera. You better smile today, people. Y'all on camera today. This is pretty cool. I just wanted to get the footage. Yeah. Alright. That's cool. I just wanted to get this footage though, y'all. What's that doing down there? Hope we get the orange one. All right, y'all, this is a Ford Mustang 2020 GTCS. This is with the hood open and everything. Everything started, got a 5.0 engine.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sorry, excuse me.
What?
Convertible style. Somebody in here right now, excuse me, y'all.
I can't believe they have one. They made them again. That's awesome.
Yeah, get some more nice, cool cars in here. I heard they got futuristic cars and everything, so just stay tuned for that. So I'm about to walk over there and do that right now, guys. All right, y'all, this is a GT 500 2020. It's way nice. Yeah, so they got a representative here. You can't even touch this car so much.
Good afternoon, Cleveland. Thank you so much for joining us here at the 2020 Auto Show, and welcome to the Ford Select.
But this is a drawing car. You guys can win this. Buy tickets to get in the raffle. I was on the show. This was a Ford Cobra. So I'm trying to show y'all this Lexus. Look at this thing. If y'all like cars, here go a car to see. GT3.
Directly from the manufacturer. 4 bottles, 2 bottles of the wax, 2 bottles of the spray wax. And you don't think it's the best wax you've ever used, 100% money back guarantees in writing. I've sold this wax myself going on 40 years for a living. I face everybody I sell all over the country. My goal is every time I sell a
Okay
new
guys, I'll
customer,
leave links in the descriptions.
you become a lifetime customer.
If I want to order anything online
2
for
bottles
this
of the
stuff,
wax, 2 bottles
I'm
of
buying
the
some
spray
to
wax.
wax my
The
car with, so I just want
applicators
to show
putting
you
it
guys.
on. You get the microphone. It's up on your fender, right? Yes. Well, what's wet come off? Just sprays right off. Beautifully right out of the hand. You don't need to wipe it in or anything. It's like glass right off the bat. Okay. You get on like these, putting the wires, it wipes off. It slings off, even freshly applied as this is. It doesn't wipe off. Watch, I'll wipe it hard too. It's on there. You can wipe dirt off of it right now in the shower today. Okay. It holds up to water, doesn't fling off, get a lot more duration, 2 to 3 weeks. Okay.
Nice.
We do 1 for 10 or 3 or 25. Okay.
Nice.
Unfortunately, we're only cash right now. We're not getting into recycling.
All right, it's a prototype car. It's a GR Supra 2020. It's not even on the market. It's on display for everybody to see it. You can't even get close enough to touch it. So I wanted to show y'all this. It's pretty cool. Like if you're into cars, once again, you'll probably like seeing this. Are you coming? Ooh, guys, y'all should know what this is. It's an Oldsmobile. They're like a Charger. It's probably got a V6 in it. So you can't get close enough to these cars. I'm just trying to get All right, guys, we got a 1970 Dodge Charger Survivor RT. 440 magnum, 375 horsepower. But yeah, look at this thing, it's a beauty. I would definitely draw this right now. Over the car I got. Trying to show y'all that. at the inside. Look at the inside of that thing. Charger, baby. Nice. Like he said, that's carrot. How you doing? This is carrot for you. All right, y'all. It's a bunch of cars in here, though. No, you're fine, No, but it's a bunch of them. Nice. Look at this. This is the Mafia car right here. I don't even know the name of this thing. Look at this car. Godfather cars up in here. Pull up back in the day. I wasn't even born here. 1950. I don't even know nothing about that. This is a 1968 Jaguar. This is boy nice. What's this car right here? Oh, I look at this now. Comment, share, subscribe. This is one of those chill videos. I ain't have to really do much. I just wanted to show y'all, you know, some cars and stuff. I love cars, so I always wanted to do this. I've never done a car show before, so this is my first time ever. But yeah, I enjoyed myself today, guys. Thanks for watching my video. All right, everybody, it's your boy Slushy Student 38. Thanks for watching my video. I'm in front of the car. I'm actually about to head to the house. Like I said before, thanks for watching this video. Yeah, stay tuned for the next one. I'm gonna try to get y'all one. I got some stuff coming in the mail for my car this week, so I'm gonna definitely get a video for y'all. Stay tuned for that. And like I said, it's your boy Slushy Student 38. Like, comment, share, subscribe, browse. And we're going up all 2020, man. Thanks for being in my corner and supporting me. And we out of here.